air combat operations are underway, and the objective is to defend Americans by eliminating, quote, imminent threats from the Iranian regime. The United States has built up a massive military presence in the Middle East over the past few weeks as the president has pressured Iran to abandon its nuclear program. This morning, Iran state television says it has launched a counterattack on U.S. bases across the Middle East. Israel is on heightened alert. The city's canceling school and closing workplaces this morning. Let's begin our coverage with CBS News senior national security correspondent Charlie D'Agata, who is in Tel Aviv. Charlie, good morning.
Good morning to you, Kelly. At roughly 8:20 this morning here, as you said, around 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock in Tehran, air raid sirens rang out, alerts across Israel on our phones, and that was not incoming missiles, but a warning to Israeli citizens that a war was underway. Stay close, take to shelters, stay off the streets. As you said, schools were closed. It was described as a joint military operation between the United States and Israeli forces, a preemptive strike. Explosions were then reported in Tehran and in 4 other cities across Iran. Israeli officials confirmed that dozens of strikes were launched targeting like Iranian government buildings, regime targets, Iran's ballistic missile arsenal, and launch sites. Now, within maybe 30 minutes or so, the air raid sirens rang out again here. That was the counterattack that was already underway. Residents were instructed to take shelter. We then started learning and